In this video guys, I'll be sharing with you how you can install Management Studio on an EC2 Windows server. So here I'm on my EC2 instance. So I'm gonna log on to the browser now. So from a browser, I'm just gonna search for SMS download. Then you wanna select the second link or anyone that says install SQL Server Management Studio. Then scroll down and select download SQL Server SMS21. Open the executable file. Select continue. Let's minimize this window. Now this version is a little bit different because what it's going to be using is Visual Studio Installer. Compared to the older versions, you just run the installation and you're good. This one is a little bit different, right? To add the additional features such as the AI assistance, business intelligence, code development tools for like Git, and hybrid and migration, right? So because I don't have a lot of this space, right, I'll be continuing with just the core component of SQL Server Management Studio. So here I'm just going to select install. So it's going to install while downloading. The installation has been completed and now I can launch SQL Server Management Studio. And one of the new enhancements with SMS21, you can log into your Microsoft account. However, I'm gonna skip and add later, or you don't have to add it any at all, right? So let me close the installer. Let me close the browser as well because this is a free tier machine, so it doesn't have a lot of compute. And that's basically it, guys. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.